Welcome back to our channel. First up, explore one of the most iconic coins in US history, the gold $1 coin featuring George Washington, the first president of the United States, serving from 1789 to 1797. Specifically, we'll be discussing the value of this remarkable coin in fine condition in today's auction market. George Washington, the father of our country, is an enduring symbol of American leadership and integrity. His legacy is celebrated not just in history books, but also in our nation's coinage. The gold $1 coin featuring his likeness is a prized possession among collectors. First, let's talk about the design of this coin. The obverse or front of the coin features a portrait of George Washington designed with intricate details that highlight his distinguished features. The reverse or back typically showcases an eagle, a symbol of American freedom and strength. Now, onto the value. The worth of a coin is influenced by several factors, including its rarity, demand, historical significance, and condition. The George Washington gold $1 coin is no exception. Coins in fine condition, while showing signs of wear, still retain many of their original details and are highly sought after by collectors. In today's auction market, the value of a gold $1 George Washington coin in fine condition can vary widely. However, based on recent auction results and market trends, we can provide a general estimate. Recent auctions have shown that these coins can fetch impressive prices. For instance, a George Washington gold $1 coin in fine condition can sell for anywhere between $200,000, depending on the specific details and provenance of the coin. What makes the George Washington gold $1 coin particularly valuable is its connection to the early history of the United States and its representation of the nation's first president. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for coins that have both historical significance and aesthetic appeal. If you're lucky enough to own one of these coins, it's important to have it professionally graded and authenticated to determine its true market value. Professional grading can also provide a sense of security and authenticity when selling the coin at auction. Professional grading services like PCGS and NGC can provide a detailed assessment of your coin's condition, which can significantly impact its value. Coins that are accurately graded and authenticated tend to attract more serious buyers and higher bids. For those interested in purchasing a George Washington gold $1 coin, it's essential to do your research and buy from reputable dealers or auction houses. Look for coins with detailed descriptions and clear images, and don't hesitate to ask for additional information or authentication certificates. In conclusion, the George Washington gold $1 coin is a treasure trove for collectors, embodying the rich history and legacy of the United States' first president. Whether you're buying or selling, understanding the factors that influence the coin's value can help you make informed decisions in the auction market. Next up, I'm talking about the most valuable USA silver Washington quarter dollar from 1965, particularly the large date without mint mark coin in fine condition, so grab your magnifying glasses and let's get into the details. First, let's set the stage with some historical context. The 1965 Washington quarter is a pivotal coin in American numismatic history. Why? Because it marks the transition from silver to copper nickel-clad quarters in the U.S. coinage system. Prior to 1965, quarters were composed of 90% silver, but due to a silver shortage and rising silver prices, the composition changed. Now, for 1965, the quarters produced are composed of 75% copper and 25% nickel, which is a significant departure from the earlier silver content. The 1965 quarters are easily recognizable by their copper-nickel appearance compared to their silver predecessors. Interestingly, in 1965, the mint did not produce quarters with mint marks, which means these quarters have no distinguishing D or S mint marks. But there's a catch. While most 1965 quarters are of the copper-nickel variety, there's a rare variation you might come across, the so-called large date variety. This designation is due to the larger size of the digits in the date on the coin. The large date variety is a bit of an anomaly, but it's worth noting that the majority of the 1965 quarters are struck with a smaller date. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is a fine condition coin from 1965 so valuable, especially when it's from a year that transitioned away from silver? The answer lies in its rarity and condition. The 1965 quarters without mint marks are generally less sought after compared to earlier or later issues, but the ones that make it into fine condition can fetch a noteworthy price. In fine condition, which means the coin shows moderate wear but retains much of its original details. The 1965 Washington quarter can be quite valuable. Currently, in today's auction market, you can expect to see these coins selling anywhere from $368,000, depending on the exact quality and the specific auction. This range can vary based on the market demand and the number of available coins. So why should collectors be interested in this particular coin? For one, it's a piece of numismatic history marking a pivotal change in US coinage. Collectors often seek out these transitional coins as part of a broader effort to complete their collections or to add unique pieces to their portfolios. If you're looking to buy or sell a 1965 Washington quarter in fine condition, make sure to do thorough research and consider getting your coin professionally graded. This will ensure you get an accurate valuation and help you make the most informed decisions whether you're buying or selling. Next up, the most valuable USA gold $1 coin featuring John Quincy Adams, the 6th President of the United States. If you're passionate about coins and their history or just curious about their value, stick around. The USA gold $1 coin honoring John Quincy Adams is a remarkable collectible. This coin, minted to commemorate the presidency of Adams from 1825 to 1829, is more than just a piece of currency, it's a significant historical artifact. But what makes this coin stand out, especially in very fine condition, and why is it considered so valuable today? Let's start with a bit of history. John Quincy Adams was the son of John Adams, the 2nd President of the United States, and he himself became the 6th President. His presidency was marked by his dedication to modernization and infrastructure projects such as the development of the National Road and the Erie Canal. In 1825, when Adams took office, the United States was in a period of growth and transformation. The gold $1 coin was minted to honor his presidency and the achievements of his administration. Although these coins were produced in relatively small numbers compared to modern mints, their historical significance makes them highly sought after by collectors. Now, let's talk about the specifics of the coin. The John Quincy Adams gold $1 coin is composed of 90% gold and 10% copper, making it both durable and valuable. It features a portrait of Adams on the obverse and an emblematic representation of his presidency on the reverse. The design is both elegant and detailed, reflecting the artistry and craftsmanship of the time. The coin's weight is approximately 1.67 grams, and its diameter is about 13.5 millimeters. The inscriptions on the coin, such as John Quincy Adams and 6th President, help in identifying and authenticating it. When it comes to coin collecting, condition is crucial. The term very fine in numismatic grading means that the coin shows some wear but retains much of its detail. For the John Quincy Adams gold $1 coin, a very fine condition implies that the coin has been well preserved with clear features and minimal damage. In today's collector market, the value of this coin in very fine condition can vary significantly based on factors like rarity, demand, and provenance. As of the latest market trends, the John Quincy Adams gold $1 coin in very fine condition can command a price range from $500,000. This range reflects the coin's historical importance, gold content, and its status as a collectible piece. So whether you're a seasoned collector or a newcomer to the world of numismatics, the John Quincy Adams gold $1 coin represents not only a tangible piece of American history, but also a valuable investment. If you come across one of these coins, you're holding a slice of presidential legacy and a rare treasure. Next up, the 1993 silver Washington quarter with a P mint mark. Specifically, we're focusing on its value in fine condition in today's auction market. Buckle up as we uncover what makes this coin so special and what you can expect if you're looking to buy or sell one. What makes this particular coin stand out is the P mint mark, indicating that it was produced at the Philadelphia Mint. This mint mark was introduced in 1980 to distinguish Philadelphia minted coins from those minted in Denver and San Francisco. Now, let's talk about the condition. The term fine in numismatics indicates that the coin has been circulated and shows moderate wear. On a fine condition coin, you can expect to see visible wear on high points and some loss of detail, but the main features of the design are still clearly visible. For the 1993 silver Washington quarter, this means that while the coin might show some signs of aging, it remains relatively well preserved. Historically, the 1993 silver Washington quarter isn't one of the rarest quarters, as it was minted in fairly high quantities. However, its value can be influenced by several factors including its condition, market demand, and the rarity of specific mint marks. While the 1993 P mint mark quarters are not considered rare, they hold a special place among collectors due to their silver content and historical significance. So, what's the going rate for a fine condition 1993 silver Washington quarter with a P mint mark in today's auction market? As of 2024, these quarters typically fetch between $26,000. The value can vary based on the specific auction house, the coin's overall appearance, and the number of bids it receives. A well-preserved, fine example may command a higher price if it's a particularly sought-after piece or if it's sold as part of a collection. Recent auction results show that while this coin might not break the bank, it remains a valuable piece for collectors looking to complete their quarter series or those interested in silver coins. The steady interest in silver quarters ensures that they maintain a respectable value in the collector's market. Next up, Washington quarters, specifically the 1980 silver Washington quarter dollar with a large date and a rare P-era mint mark in fine condition. This coin is making waves in today's auction market, and we're here to uncover its true value. So, if you're a collector or just curious about rare coins, stick around. The 1980 silver Washington quarter dollar might not be the first coin that comes to mind when thinking about rare and valuable quarters, but this particular coin stands out due to its unique features and era mint mark. Let's explore what makes this coin so special. First, a bit of history. The Washington quarter was first introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. Designed by John Flanagan, the obverse features a portrait of George Washington, while the reverse showcases an eagle with outstretched wings. In 1980, most Washington quarters were struck in a copper nickel-clad composition. However, a small number were mistakenly struck on silver planchets, making these coins extremely rare. Additionally, the P mint mark era adds another layer of rarity, as the Philadelphia Mint did not typically use a mint mark on quarters during this period. Error coins, like this one with the P mint mark, occur due to mistakes during the minting process. These errors can range from off-center strikes to incorrect planchettes and, in this case, an incorrect mint mark. Error coins are highly sought after by collectors due to their uniqueness and rarity. Now, let's talk about the value of this 1980 silver Washington quarter dollar with the P-era mint mark in fine condition. The value of such a coin is influenced by several factors, including its rarity, condition, and demand among collectors. In today's auction market, this particular quarter has garnered significant attention. Recent auctions have seen these coins fetch impressive prices. On average, a 1980 silver Washington quarter with P-era mint mark in fine condition can sell for anywhere between $300,000, depending on the specific circumstances of the auction and the interest of bidders. If you're a collector looking to add this coin to your collection, here are a few tips. First, always ensure the authenticity of the coin. Have it graded by a reputable grading service like PCGS or NGC. Second, stay updated on auction listings and be ready to bid when the opportunity arises. The 1980 silver Washington quarter dollar with a P-era mint mark is a true gem for collectors. Its unique era and silver composition make it a standout piece, and its value in the auction market reflects its rarity and desirability. If you ever come across this coin, you'll know just how special it is. Next up, explore one of the most intriguing and valuable coins in recent history, the 2009 gold Sacagawea Native American $1 coin. Specifically, we'll focus on its value in fine condition in today's auction market. So, let's get started. Before we delve into its value, let's start with a brief history of the coin. The gold Sacagawea Native American $1 coin was first introduced in 2000, featuring the iconic image of Sacagawea, the Shoshone woman who assisted Lewis and Clark on their expedition. This coin is part of a series that honors Native American contributions to the history of the United States. Each year, the coin features different reverse designs that celebrate Native American culture and history. The 2009 issue is particularly noteworthy because it commemorates the sacrifice and resilience of Native American women, highlighting their important role in American history. Now, let's talk about the 2009 gold Sacagawea coin specifically. This coin is distinct due to its gold content, which makes it more valuable compared to other Sacagawea coins. The 2009 version is notable for its unique reverse design, which features a detailed and respectful representation of Native American heritage. In fine condition, the 2009 gold Sacagawea coin has a significant place in the collector's market. Fine condition means the coin shows moderate wear, with some detail visible and minimal surface damage. While it may not be in pristine condition, it remains a highly sought-after item for collectors. Let's explore its value in today's auction market. Recent auctions have shown that the 2009 gold Sacagawea coin in fine condition can fetch a range of prices depending on several factors, including rarity, demand, and market trends. On average, you can expect this coin to sell for anywhere between $78,000. Interestingly, the value of this coin has been steadily increasing over the years. Collectors appreciate its historical significance, gold content, and the fact that it's part of a limited series. As more collectors seek to complete their collections or invest in precious metals, the demand for this coin continues to grow. If you're considering adding this coin to your collection, it's important to ensure it's authenticated and in the best condition possible. Coins in fine condition can still be valuable, but those with higher grades will command a premium. Next up, the Washington quarter dollar from 1978. We'll explore why the 1978 large date without a mint mark is so sought after and what it's worth in today's auction market. So, grab your magnifying glasses and let's get started. The Washington quarter dollar series has been a staple of American coinage since its debuted in 1932, honoring the nation's first president George Washington. The 1978 quarter is part of this well-loved series, but there's something special about the 1978 large date without a mint mark. The 1978 large date quarters stand out due to their unique design features. The large date style, in particular, has attracted attention among collectors. It's important to note that the absence of a mint mark on the 1978 quarter means it was minted in Philadelphia. This lack of a mint mark, combined with the large date design, makes it a desirable coin for many collectors. Minted in Philadelphia, the 1978 Washington quarter without a mint mark has a notable place in numismatic history. The series saw a transition in minting styles during this period, and the large date design was part of a series of changes made in the late 1970s. However, despite the relatively high mintage numbers, the large date variety, particularly without a mint mark, has become a collector's favorite due to its distinct features and historical significance. Now, let's talk numbers. The value of the 1978 Washington quarter dollar in fine condition can vary based on several factors, including demand, the state of the market, and the specific characteristics of the coin. As of today's auction market, you can expect to see this coin range from approximately $56,000 depending on its exact grade and the auction platform. On platforms like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and others, this coin has been fetching prices within this range. While it might not be as high as some rarer issues, its value is solid, especially for a fine condition coin. Collectors value it for its unique design and historical context, which can drive up the price in competitive bidding. If you're considering adding the 1978 large date Washington quarter to your collection, here are a few tips. First, always ensure the coin is well preserved. Proper storage in a coin holder or slab can help maintain its condition and value. Second, keep an eye on auction trends and market demand. As with any collectible, values can fluctuate, so staying informed can help you make smart purchasing decisions. Understanding coin grading is crucial. The fine condition is characterized by noticeable wear but still retains clear details. If you're unsure about the condition of a coin, consulting a professional grader can provide clarity. To wrap up, the 1978 Washington quarter dollar in fine condition is a valuable piece for collectors, offering a snapshot of late 20th century minting and design. While its value may not be astronomical, its uniqueness and historical context make it a worthy addition to any collection. Next up, we're talking about the most valuable USA gold $1 coin featuring Ulysses S. Grant, the 18th President of the United States. This coin, minted during his presidency from 1869 to 1877, is a true gem in the numismatic world. We'll explore the historical significance of the Ulysses S. Grant $1 gold coin, its value in today's auction market, and why it's considered so valuable. So, let's get started. To understand why this coin is so valuable, let's start with a bit of history. Ulysses S. Grant, the 18th President of the United States, served from 1869 to 1877. He is best known for his leadership during the American Civil War as the commanding general of the Union Army. His presidency was marked by efforts to reconstruct the South and to advance civil rights. The gold $1 coin featuring Grant was minted during his presidency as part of a series of commemorative coins issued by the U.S. Mint. These coins were produced to celebrate significant figures and events in American history. The Grant $1 coin stands out not only for its historical significance but also for its rarity and design. The Ulysses S. Grant gold $1 coin is a remarkable piece of numismatic artistry. The obverse of the coin features a portrait of Grant looking dignified and resolute. The design captures his prominent profile, which is a tribute to his stature as both a military leader and a president. On the reverse, you'll find an eagle, the emblem of the United States, clutching arrows and an olive branch. This side of the coin is designed to symbolize strength and peace, reflecting Grant's legacy of leadership during a time of Reconstruction. The coin is struck in 90% gold and 10% copper, which gives it a rich, warm hue. It has a diameter of 13 mm and weighs approximately 1.672 grams. The fine condition of this coin means it has retained much of its original detail and luster, though it may show some minor signs of wear from circulation. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, the value of this coin in today's auction market. The Ulysses S. Grant gold $1 coin is highly sought after by collectors due to its historical significance, limited mintage, and its status as a gold coin. In fine condition, this coin can command impressive prices at auction. As of 2024, the value of a Ulysses S. Grant gold $1 coin in fine condition typically ranges from $689,000. The exact value can vary depending on the coin's specific characteristics, such as its overall preservation, any unique markings, and the current demand in the market. Rarely, coins in exceptional fine condition or those with unique provenance can fetch even higher prices, sometimes reaching upwards of $600,000 or more. It's always a good idea to consult with a professional appraiser or numismatic expert if you have a coin you believe might be of higher value. The value of the Ulysses S. Grant gold $1 coin can be attributed to several factors. Firstly, its historical significance. Grant was a key figure in American history, and his coin represents a notable period in the nation's past. Secondly, its gold content and limited mintage add to its allure. Gold coins are often valued for their precious metal content as well as their collectible appeal. The Ulysses S. Grant coin is also part of a broader series of commemorative coins, which increases its desirability among collectors. Lastly, the condition of the coin plays a crucial role in its value. Coins in fine condition, like this one, offer a great balance of historical value and collectible appeal, making them highly sought after in the auction market. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the most valuable USA gold $1 coin featuring Ulysses S. Grant. This coin is a remarkable piece of history and a valuable addition to any collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the hobby, next up, uncovering the hidden gem of the coin world, the 1985 Washington quarter dollar with a large date and D mint mark in fine condition. Let's find out what makes this coin so special and its value in today's auction market. Before we jump into the value, let's talk a bit about the history and significance of the Washington quarter. Introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth, this coin has become a staple in American currency. However, the 1985 edition with the large date and D mint mark holds a special place for collectors. The D mint mark signifies that this quarter was minted in Denver. What sets the 1985 Washington quarter apart is the large date, which is a key identifying feature for collectors. Coins from this year and mint are relatively common, but finding one in fine condition can be quite rare. In fine condition, a coin shows moderate wear on the high points of the design, but retains most of its details. For a 1985 Washington quarter, fine condition means you can still see the details of Washington's hair and the eagle's feathers on the reverse, though they may be slightly worn. So, what is the value of a 1985 Washington quarter in fine condition in today's auction market? Let's dive into some recent sales data based on recent auction results, A 1985 Washington quarter with a large date and D mint mark in fine condition can fetch anywhere from $10,000, while this might not seem like a fortune. It's important to remember that the value can fluctuate based on the coin's rarity, demand, and the specific conditions of the auction. Now, you might be wondering why this coin doesn't reach higher prices. The primary reason is that 1985 quarters are not made of silver, but rather a copper-nickel clad. However, their collectible value comes from their historical significance and the nuances like the large date and D mint mark. Next up, explore the value of the 1994 silver Washington quarter dollar with a D mint mark in fine condition and see how it stacks up in today's auction market. If you're a fan of coin collecting, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let's start by taking a closer look at the 1994 silver Washington quarter dollar. This coin is part of the 1992 to 1998 series of quarters that commemorates the 200th anniversary of George Washington's presidency. It features the iconic portrait of Washington on the obverse and a depiction of the presidential Liberty Bell on the reverse. What makes this coin particularly interesting is its composition. It is a silver quarter, which means it contains 90% silver and 10% copper. This composition gives it a distinct silver sheen compared to the standard clad quarters. Now, let's focus on the specific coin we're discussing today, the 1994 silver Washington quarter with a D mint mark. The D indicates that this coin was minted in Denver. For collectors, the mint mark is an essential detail because it helps identify where the coin was produced. This particular coin is in fine condition, which means it has some wear and tear but still retains clear details and overall appeal. Fine condition coins typically show moderate to significant wear but are still recognizable and desirable. So, how much is his coin worth in today's auction market? To find out, let's look at recent auction results and market trends. Recent auctions have shown that the 1994 silver Washington quarter dollar with a D mint mark in fine condition has been fetching impressive prices. On average, you can expect to see these coins sell for anywhere between $24,000, depending on their specific condition and the market demand. Some coins in slightly better or worse condition have sold for a bit more or less, but fine condition is a sweet spot where collectors are willing to pay a premium for a piece of silver history. The value of these quarters can be influenced by several factors, including overall market trends, collector interest, and even the timing of the auction. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on recent sales and trends to get the best idea of what your coin might be worth. In summary, if you have a 1994 silver Washington quarter dollar with a D mint mark in fine condition, you're looking at a valuable coin that can fetch a nice sum at auction. Make sure to do your research, compare recent sales, and consider getting your coin appraised by a professional if you're thinking about selling. Next up, the USA Gold $1 Zachary Taylor coin, minted in 1849 to 1850. This coin commemorates the 12th President of the United States, Zachary Taylor, and is highly sought after by collectors. Let's dive into its history, characteristics, and value in today's auction market. The Gold $1 Zachary Taylor coin was issued as part of the Liberty Head series, which was popular during the mid-19th century. This particular coin features President Zachary Taylor, who served as the 12th President of the United States from 1849 until his death in 1850. Minted in the early days of his presidency, this coin carries historical significance beyond its numismatic value. Zachary Taylor was a prominent military leader before his presidency, known for his role in the Mexican-American War. His tenure in office was short-lived due to his untimely death, which adds to the historical allure of this coin. The gold dollar coins of this era were part of a series that showcased various designs, but the Zachary Taylor coin stands out due to its presidential theme and the historical context. Now, let's examine the characteristics of the Zachary Taylor gold dollar. The obverse of the coin features a detailed portrait of Zachary Taylor, with his name and the year of minting inscribed around it. The reverse side showcases the Liberty Head design, which was prevalent in many U.S. gold coins of the time. The coin's fine condition, or fine grade, indicates that it has moderate wear but still retains much of its original detail. In coin grading terms, this means the coin will show some signs of use, such as light scratches and minor wear on the high points, but the overall design and lettering are still recognizable. Let's get to the exciting part, the value of this coin in today's auction market. The value of collectible coins can fluctuate based on various factors including rarity, demand, and condition. For the Zachary Taylor Gold $1 in fine condition, recent auction prices have shown that this coin can command a significant amount of money. On average, you can expect this coin to sell for anywhere between $300,000 at auction. The exact price can vary based on the specific characteristics of the coin, such as its luster, the sharpness of its details, and any unique features or historical provenance it may have. For instance, a recent auction of a Zachary Taylor Gold $1 in fine condition fetched approximately $310,000, while another example went for $324,000. These prices reflect the coin's rarity and the growing interest in presidential commemorative coins. If you're a collector or an investor looking to add a piece of American history to your collection, the Zachary Taylor Gold $1 is an excellent choice. Its combination of historical significance, unique design, and the allure of gold makes it a standout coin. Next up, the 1996 silver Washington quarter dollar with a D mint mark in fine condition. Let's explore its value in today's auction market and why it's become a sought-after item for collectors. The Washington quarter dollar, a staple of American coinage, has a rich history that dates back to its introduction in 1932. However, our focus today is on a specific year and condition, the 1996 silver Washington quarter with the large date and the D mint mark. First, let's briefly review its history and significance. The 1996 Washington quarter is part of the State Quarters series, which began in 1999, but in 1996, the quarter was still being produced in its traditional format. The large date variety refers to the specific style of the date on the coin, which features a slightly larger and more prominent date than other years. The D mint mark indicates that this coin was minted in Denver. This particular coin, minted in 1996, was a standard issue at the time, but what makes the 1996 silver Washington quarter with the large date and D mint mark particularly interesting is its relative rarity in fine condition. Fine condition, in coin grading terms, means that the coin shows moderate wear but retains most of its design details. It's not as pristine as uncirculated coins, but it still holds a lot of value. In the auction market, the value of a coin like this can vary significantly based on a few factors. First and foremost, the demand among collectors and the coin's rarity play crucial roles. The 1996 silver Washington quarter with the D mint mark is less common in fine condition, making it a desirable piece for those completing their collections or looking for investment opportunities. Based on recent auction results and sales data, a 1996 silver Washington quarter with a large date and D mint mark in fine condition can fetch anywhere from $36,000. This range can fluctuate depending on the coin's exact appearance, the reputation of the seller, and the overall market trends. Coins that exhibit fewer blemishes or slightly better details can push the value towards the higher end of this range. It's important to note that while this coin may not be among the highest value quarters, its appeal lies in its unique characteristics and the fact that it's part of a collectible series. For those looking to buy or sell, keeping an eye on auction houses and collector markets can help you gauge the right time to make a move. Next up, the gold Rutherford B. Hayes $1 coin, minted during his presidency from 1877 to 1881. If you're a coin collector or just fascinated by historical artifacts, this episode is for you. Before we get into the specifics, let's briefly review the historical significance of this coin. Rutherford B. Hayes, the 19th President of the United States, served from 1877 to 1881. His presidency is often remembered for the end of the Reconstruction era and his efforts to reform civil service. Now, let's talk about the coin itself. This gold $1 piece, featuring President Hayes, was minted as part of a series commemorating notable figures in American history. The coin's obverse showcases a detailed portrait of Hayes, while the reverse displays a symbolic design representative of his era. In terms of its physical attributes, the gold Rutherford B. Hayes coin is quite impressive. It is composed of 90% gold and 10% copper, weighing approximately 1.67 grams. The coin's diameter is around 16.5 millimeters, making it a compact yet striking piece. Now, let's delve into the value of this coin, specifically in a very fine condition. Coins in very fine condition exhibit moderate wear, but still retain clear details and a pleasing appearance. For collectors, these coins are highly desirable because they offer a balance between affordability and preservation of historical integrity. As of today's auction market, the gold Rutherford B. Hayes $1 coin in very fine condition can command impressive prices. On average, you might find these coins selling for anywhere between $400,000. However, this range can vary based on factors like rarity, provenance, and the specific auction house. To give you an idea of how market trends fluctuate, in recent auctions, some of these coins have fetched higher prices, especially if they come with impeccable provenance or if they are part of a rare series. Always keep an eye on auction houses and online marketplaces for the latest trends and valuations. If you're considering adding this coin to your collection, or if you already own one and are curious about its value, remember that the condition of the coin is crucial. A thorough grading by a professional numismatist can provide a more accurate assessment and potentially enhance the coin's value. Collecting coins like the gold Rutherford B. Hayes $1 piece not only adds value to your collection, but also connects you with a rich tapestry of American history. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a newcomer, understanding the value and significance of these coins is key to appreciating their worth. Next up, the 1983 silver Washington quarter dollar with a large date and a P mint mark. If you're a coin enthusiast or just curious about coin values, you're in for a treat. Let's start with some background on this coin. The 1983 silver Washington quarter was issued as part of the series celebrating George Washington, the first President of the United States. This particular quarter is notable for its large date and the P mint mark, indicating that it was minted in Philadelphia. These quarters were made with a silver content of 90%, which adds to their intrinsic value. On the obverse of the coin, you'll find the classic portrait of George Washington, designed by John Flanagan. The reverse features an eagle perched on a branch, symbolizing strength and freedom. This design has been a hallmark of the Washington Quarter series since its inception in 1932. Now, let's discuss the coin's condition. The term fine in numismatics refers to a specific grade on the Sheldon scale, which ranges from poor to mint state. A fine grade means that the coin has clear details but shows moderate wear. On a Washington quarter, you'll still be able to see most of the design elements, though there may be some loss of detail in the high points. In today's auction market, the value of a 1983 silver Washington quarter dollar with a large date and P mint mark in fine condition varies. Recently, these coins have been fetching between $98,000 at auction. The exact value can fluctuate based on factors such as the specific details of the coin, its provenance, and the overall demand in the market. The 1983 silver Washington quarter, especially with the large date and P mint mark, is an interesting piece because it represents a transition period in the series. While not as rare as some other dates or mint marks, its silver content and historical significance make it a desirable item for collectors. The fine grade indicates that the coin has been well preserved despite some wear, which can make it particularly attractive to buyers. Coin values can be influenced by a variety of factors, including market trends and collector interest. The value of this quarter has seen some appreciation over the years due to its silver content and its role in the Washington Quarter series. Collectors often look for coins with unique characteristics or those in higher grades, but even in fine condition, this coin holds value. Next up, exploring a truly unique piece of American history, the USA Gold $1 coin featuring Andrew Jackson, the 7th President of the United States, minted in 1865. If you're a collector or just passionate about American history, stick around as we unravel the value of this remarkable coin in today's auction market. Here we have the USA Gold $1 coin featuring Andrew Jackson. This coin, struck in 1865, is a significant piece from the post-Civil War era. Let's break down what makes this coin so valuable. Firstly, the coin features a detailed portrait of Andrew Jackson, the 7th President of the United States, who served from 1829 to 1837. Known for his role in founding the Democratic Party and his strong leadership during the War of 1812, Jackson's legacy is etched in this beautiful gold coin. To understand its current value, we need to consider several factors: rarity, historical significance, condition, and demand among collectors. This coin was produced in limited quantities, making it a rare find today. Coins from this era, especially gold ones, are highly sought after by collectors. The 1865 gold coin is notable not just for its age, but also because it was minted during a transformative period in American history. Following the end of the Civil War, the condition of the coin is crucial. In our case, we're discussing the coin in fine condition. Fine condition means the coin shows noticeable wear, but still retains a significant amount of its original detail and design. In fine condition, this coin exhibits some moderate to heavy wear, which is typical for a coin of its age. You might see flattened areas, particularly on high points like Jackson's hair and the inscriptions. So what's the value of this coin in today's auction market? As of recent auctions, the USA Gold $1 Andrew Jackson coin from 1865 in fine condition can fetch anywhere between $267,000. The exact price depends on the coin's specific details and the auction house. Coins in fine condition are highly prized, but those in higher grades, such as extremely fine or uncirculated, can command even higher prices. The value can also fluctuate based on market trends, collector interest, and overall economic conditions. If you're lucky enough to own one of these historical coins or are considering purchasing one, make sure to consult with a reputable numismatist or auction house for an accurate appraisal. Here are a few tips if you're in the market for this coin. Always verify authenticity. Understand the grading system and keep an eye on auction results for similar items. In summary, the USA Gold $1 coin featuring Andrew Jackson from 1865 is a valuable piece of American history, reflecting both the era's economic and political climate, whether you're a seasoned collector or a history enthusiast. This coin represents a fascinating blend of artistry and historical significance. Next up, uncover the value of a truly intriguing coin, the 1986 silver Washington quarter dollar with a P mint mark in color shade and dirty condition. If you're a collector or just curious about rare coins, you're in the right place. Let's explore what makes this coin so special and how much it's worth in today's auction market. First, let's talk about the coin itself. The 1986 Washington quarter dollar is part of the standard series minted from 1932 to 1998. This series features George Washington on the obverse and an eagle on the reverse, symbolizing American heritage and freedom. The 1986 coin was produced by the Philadelphia Mint, which is denoted by the P Mint mark. The P Mint mark indicates that this quarter was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. While the P Mint mark is common in more recent issues, the presence of unique color shades or tones can significantly impact a coin's value. In our case, we have a coin with a distinct color shade on the obverse side, which could be due to various factors like environmental exposure or chemical reactions. The condition of a coin is crucial when determining its value. Our 1986 Washington quarter is described as being in dirty condition. This term means the coin shows signs of wear, tarnish, or grime, which can diminish its appeal to collectors, while the dirt or discoloration might make it less attractive. It can also add a unique character that some collectors might find appealing. Now, let's get into the numbers. In today's auction market, the value of a 1986 silver Washington quarter with a P Mint mark in dirty condition can vary. Typically, such coins are valued less than their pristine counterparts due to the condition issues. However, rarity and collector interest can still play a role. As of the latest auction data, the value of this specific coin in dirty condition ranges between $200,000. This range reflects its status as a standard issue coin with some unique characteristics. While it's not the highest value coin in the Washington quarter series, its distinct color shade and mint mark can make it a noteworthy addition to a specialized collection. To wrap up, the 1986 silver Washington quarter with a P Mint mark in dirty condition holds a modest yet interesting place in the market. If you're a collector, this coin offers a glimpse into how unique attributes like color shade can influence value. Remember, preserving the coin's condition and understanding its background are key to appreciating its full worth. Next up, world of presidential coins, specifically focusing on the most valuable USA Gold $1 coin featuring Grover Cleveland, the 22nd President of the United States, from his first term in office from 1885 to 1889. And we're not just talking about any coin, but one in dirty condition. Let's explore its historical significance, rarity, and current market value. So, let's get started. First, let's take a closer look at this intriguing coin. The Grover Cleveland $1 coin is part of the presidential $1 coin program, which was launched in 2007. Each coin in the series features the image of a U.S. president on the obverse and the Statue of Liberty on the reverse. Grover Cleveland is unique as he is the only president to serve 2 non-consecutive terms, making him both the 22nd and the 24th president. Today, we'll focus on the coin representing his first term. Grover Cleveland served as the 22nd president from 1885 to 1889. Known for his honesty and fight against political corruption, Cleveland was a significant figure in American history. His presidency marked a period of reform and strong leadership, which is why having a coin minted in his honor is special for collectors. This particular coin was minted in 2012 as part of the presidential $1 coin program. Unlike the original gold coins from the 19th century, this coin is not made of actual gold, but is composed of a mixture of copper, zinc, manganese, and nickel, giving it a golden color. However, it's still a sought-after piece due to its historical significance and the unique representation of Grover Cleveland. On the obverse, we have a detailed portrait of Grover Cleveland with the inscriptions Grover Cleveland in God We Trust, 22nd President, and the years of his term 1885 to 1889. The reverse features the iconic Statue of Liberty with the inscriptions United States of America and $1 along the edge. You'll find the mint year, mint mark, and the inscriptions E pluribus unum and In God We Trust. Now, let's talk about the condition of the coin. The term dirty condition refers to coins that have accumulated dirt, grime, or tarnish over time, often resulting in a lower grade. While these coins might not have the same visual appeal as those in mint condition, they still hold significant value, especially for collectors interested in the coin's history and story. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to perfect mint state. MS-70, a dirty condition coin, typically falls somewhere in the lower grades, but this doesn't necessarily mean it's worthless. In fact, the historical and rarity factors often play a crucial role in determining its value. So, how much is this coin worth in today's collector market? According to recent market data and collector guides, a Grover Cleveland gold $1 coin in dirty condition can range from $300,000. However, the exact value can vary based on the coin's specific condition, the level of dirt and tarnish, and the current demand among collectors. To get a more precise idea, it's a good practice to check online auction sites like eBay, heritage auctions, or specialized coin auction platforms. Here, you can see the prices that similar coins have recently sold for, giving you a better understanding of its market value. Remember, the value of a coin is not just about its physical condition, but also its historical significance, rarity, and demand among collectors. A Grover Cleveland gold $1 coin, even in dirty condition, is a remarkable piece of American history that any coin collector would be proud to own. That wraps up our deep dive into the most valuable USA gold $1 Grover Cleveland 22nd President 1885 to 1889 coin in dirty condition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow coin enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating coin stories and market updates. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.